Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a hand pointing. It's not quite realistic, but it's not quite cartoony. It's somewhere in between. My name's Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. I think you're going to like it. Come on, let's get to work. So first thing, gesture for a cartoon drawing, okay? So let's go in with arm, okay? Palm, all right? We're gonna do something like this. Fingers, you see? Just gesture. And then thumb. And then I'm going to come in here with my lower arm, and it's like an S curve. You see that? Like an S curve. Do in that order. Arm, palm, fingers, and thumb, okay? Okay, let's go ahead and go into looking for our palm is going to be next. So we're kind of looking like this. It's this kind of shape right there, almost like a wedge. All right. Hey, it's Kurt. Just jumping in here for a quick second, asking you to like and subscribe. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and number 3. Down in the comments, let me know where you see yourself in 3 months as far as what is something you want to accomplish in the area of drawing. Maybe I can help you get there, all right? All right. Make sure you subscribe. Did you like the video? This is your father talking. All right, let's get back to work. Then we're going to look at the tips. So where's our fingertip? We're going to go right about there, I think, for that. And then right below the palm here, we're looking at the tips of our finger. And it's going to be, look, I've kind of have this as my knuckle area right there. See that? So I can see my tips are almost like right below that knuckle. If I look up in the picture here, let's bring up another. So there's my knuckle, and you can see this tip is almost, I'm going to change the color there actually. This tip is almost directly below that, all right? All right, next we're going to look at our knuckles, okay? So there's one up there, and there's one right there. You see that? So let's kind of mark that on our page. So one knuckle's up there. And then I'm looking at that relationship between where that tip is. It's going to be somewhere about right there. Okay? And then also the other knuckle is going to be, well, that's going to be a joint. So we can move on to our joints here. So joint's going to be about there. There's the other joint. Just marking all these down. And the joint for my thumb is very square looking. You see that? Just like that. So we've done our gesture. We did our palm. Got our tips in. Got our knuckles in. And then I put some markers down for my joints. And now I'm ready to draw the cartoon version of this hand. So here we go. I'm gonna use my whole arm here, okay? Like this. We're gonna come down. I'm just gonna square off the end there. Okay, there's my finger. All right. Let's get the other one in. And again, I'm just kind of coming straight down. I'm thinking more cartoon, okay? Here's my other finger. And then look at this line here. Take a look at this. Look at that stretching right there. You see that? And then it stretches down there as well. All right, let's get that in. All right, so we're going to come in like this. And then my finger's coming behind that, you see? You know, one of the best things that you could do in order to improve is to draw a little bit every day.
I've got this great membership class called the Daily Draw.
We get together every day for about 30 minutes. I go live in the afternoon, and we cover all things that have to do with drawing. If you stuck with this for 3 months, I guarantee you're going to be far more confident in your drawing. Link is in the description. Check it out. All right, let's get back to work. All right, let's get our thumb in. Now look at this. Look closely at our thumb. Right here where the joint is, okay? We're actually gonna just come straight up just a little bit. Just like that. Because the palm is kind of behind that, you see? Palm is behind that. And then let's come in closely, get that part there of the thumb. And of course the thumb now. Thumb is coming in here. And I can see the top of the thumb if you look closely. All right, I'm just going to draw now this I'm going to just fill in with this negative space. Look, negative space is right there. You see that? I'll color this for you. Negative space right there. You see that? And then deep inside, you can see the other finger is wrapping around, just like that. Last thing I want to do is that fingernail, and that, so it's going to come down like this, just like that. Now I can just add a little bit of a tone on the inside here. A tone underneath the thumb. And then my third tone is going to go deep in that little inside there. So once again, what can you practice? How do you practice this? Well, I would start with just drawing the cartoon hand over and over again. Just replay this, watch it again, do it again, do it again. And once you've done it about 3 times, turn off the video and try and do it from memory. Okay, and if you have to go back and look at it again, then go back and look at it again. But it's just like learning how to sing a song. You look at the words and then you try and repeat them and double check them. It's the same thing.
A dad who draws.
Hey, if you want another hand drawing video, check this one out there, or better yet, here's our most recent video.